What is going on, YouTube? Back on again with another great video. Today I am going to be pretty much getting the Mazda 3 prepped for inspection so we can finally get paint and start driving it. Today we'll be using the GoPro because I wanted to try something a little bit different, change up the videos a little bit and things like that, work some head strap action, driving, you know, get more interaction with you guys. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. It is raining out here and I'm making this video. Hope you guys like and enjoy it. Other news of annoying, rock chip hit my car the other day, or really yesterday, and pretty much bashed out paint off of my car, so that's going to cost me another $200. I want to hurry up and get that fixed before IA, which is in like 3 weeks. Also, I'll be putting that emblem back on. I've had it this entire time. You guys are probably like, where has that been? But it's in the trunk. I'm going to paint those gloss black, and I'm going to do the other side as well, which is still actually on the car. So yeah, don't mind that. Those will be fixed. We might get something else, a little extra goodie before IA as well. But first things first, let's go ahead and start up this car and do a nice little cold start, I guess. Get in here. I gotta take off my book bag, guys. Got all types of wet. Stop that we're going to is we're going to Terrence's place. Terrence has the battery for the Mazda. They let it charge up because it's been sitting for so long, for months, and you know, it pretty much died out. So I needed to get it charged. I let it charge, get a slow charge on it for a couple of days, at intervals at a time, so it wouldn't kill its battery cell. But pretty much we're about to go pick that up, put it in the Mazda for tomorrow's inspection. I'm gonna let it run for a little bit too. Drive it around one more time for final inspection. Put some air in the tire because one tire I believe may have a nail. But since you're not really worried about tires right now for a car that's not legal, I'm just gonna fill it with air so it gets past the inspection, and then we can worry about all the other stuff and drive it around and get emissions done. What I had to do. I'll be fixing it sometime soon in the future. So yeah. And we are here. I promise you, Cash is hill getting down here to the track. Alright guys, about to go ahead and go pick up this battery. It's gonna be in the shop, probably still charging. They're working on the alignment shop, getting some installation done. Don't mind them. Alright, let's go out here. Alright, this is on a slow charge. I'm gonna turn it off. These off. Oh, battery. Oh, something. I don't know what that is, but okay. Been charging for a couple of days now. Put this down. Make sure y'all see how I'm doing. Got my name on it. Let's get up out of here. Oof. Oof, oof. Oh. Ooh. Put it in the car. In the trunk, but the last time I did that, I lost my Z trunk carpet. So I'd rather lose this than the trunk carpet again, because then I won't have a sub. That's it. Remind me and my grandma. When's the bill coming? He's trying to. Yeah, I knew he was gonna say that. He don't. Talk about he's not gonna release no specs.
You gotta wait for it.
Yeah. I'm telling y'all, bro. He's probably got a Corvette. Not trying to say nothing. Or Evo. He's probably got both of them. Well, time to go ahead and get up out of here. Go up that hill again. Unfortunately, it'll be alright. Whoa. Alright. Left turn to shop. Oh, right there now. Left turn to shop. Now next to the body shop, Camilo's Auto Body. It's not that far from here. About 5 minutes. All that walk towards this way. But here we are. Here goes the Mazda in its natural state. Battery right there. We're about to go ahead and hook that up. I don't know why it just took pictures of everything I just did. It's just kind of pissing me off. This GoPro always likes to choose what it wants to do. It's annoying. But yeah. Get the key and stuff. Start this bad boy up. Hopefully it starts off go. There's another one here, but this is automatic. Not stick shift. Love my manual transmission. This one here. Alright. Start the battery in real quick. Yeah. Negative. Push the ground. I have it backwards. Let's get out my handy dandy tools. Alright. Let's find out if this bad John works or not. It's up. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Be really upset. If not, let's do this. Kinda scared. Don't leave my car first. It's plugged in for sure. Yay. Started right up. I need you to be my daily. I'm gonna get it up out of here. Started up like a charm, man. Roll. Head keeps getting hit. Wow, look at that. I don't know if I gave you good walk around. As it stands, as it sits. It's gonna be painted, obviously, but inspection wise, you have to wait before it's painted so they can make sure there's nothing rusting or you're not hiding anything under the paint. All right, this is the third time recording this. I don't know what's wrong with this GoPro, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Car's getting inspected tomorrow. Trying to get all the kinks out of the car. Got the tire pressure sensor light off. Make sure it's starting up. There's a flat tire on the car, but we'll get that resolved. Tomorrow's video, or whenever you see the next video, is going to be about, you know, us getting it inspected and maybe a little bit of clip of driving it for emissions so it can be tag ready. I just wanted to leave this message on with you guys. For the last 2 years I've had this, well, for the last year I've had this car, but in the last 2 years I've been having so many struggles with the 350, life, school, pretty much 350's been hit by a deer. It delayed this car because I had to put money into that to get that working since that's my only car. The purpose of me having this car in the first place is so if something were to happen to the 350, you know, I'd have something to drive and work and back while I slowly work on it and not rush. Also helps me with not rushing on YouTube videos. I can take my time and make parts instead of trying to finish everything in one day. It's been really holding me back from taking down my transmission to do throwout bearing again and stuff like that. But you know, God does things like this for a reason. Like, for example, like the new chip that's on the car now, if I would have gave up right now and just said I quit on this car, I don't want to do anything with this car anymore, you know. Everything's going wrong with it. It's my 4th free paint. I'm tired. How can God bless me with, you know, a shop? Anything can happen in the shop. The lift could stop working. We might not have power for the day, or maybe a couple of weeks. If a power line goes out, does that mean I'm going to give up? He's only preparing us for all these great things that he's putting in our life now. So all these obstacles that we see are only for us to get better and grow, and he's just trying to have us depend on our faith in him and ourselves. So I just want to leave you guys off with that little, you know, small message. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys like, and if you have any questions or comments about anything, about inspection wise, about how I got the car, I have 2 videos of the car when I bought it, and you can leave anything down in the comment section below. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end.